PowerMaths has lots of resources to help you with teaching fluency in maths, some of which you may not have seen yet. So the first thing I wanted to show you is the new pinpoint resources, which can be found under Resources White Rose Maths Edition. And these resources are for problem solving and reasoning. So choose your year group, and then under type, choose problem solving and reasoning. And you'll see these new pinpoint resources. So first of all, you've got the challenge cards. So these are ideal for groups of children or individuals. You can print them out or just show them up on your screen. And each challenge card has 3 questions, one which is for working towards the objective, one which is for securing the objective, and one which is for deepening the objective. You've also got the answers and teacher notes to go with those, so you can see which objectives are covered. Also here you've got the pinpoint word problems. So a slightly different format for these ones. You can see all the areas of maths which are covered by the word problems here. And if we go to a page of the word problems, I'm just going to rotate that. Then these are for printing out and cutting up, giving out to children. Again, you've got questions for working towards, securing, and deepening as well. Again, you've got all the answers there too. So the next component which you can use for fluency, are you using the individual practice games yet? You've got hundreds of these brilliant games included in your PowerMaths subscription, and each one's provided in 3 versions, A, B and C, for support, core and extend. They cover the same objective, but the numbers just get slightly harder. And with all of these, you can allocate them to children so they can play them in school or as homework at home, and the games report back to you so that you can see how secure they are with that. So you just tick the box there, click allocate, and allocate to your class. Also, if your school has subscribed to School Jam on top of their PowerMaths subscription, you'll be able to access all of those activities here. So these are for reception year 1 and year 2. So I'm going to show you the School Jam digital games. So these are aimed at children completing the activity with a parent or carer or another child. Again, you can do them in school or you can allocate them as homework, and they're really sweet little activities which children love doing with someone else. So next, we've got something which is a part of the PowerMaths lesson, and that is the Power Ups. So click on Power Up under Type here. And there's one of these provided for every single lesson. So you can spend 5 minutes at the start of a lesson doing a power up, or you can introduce them at any other time you want. They're brilliant for fluency because they cover number, calculation, and place value. And then we've got something which is a bit newer, which is included in the teacher guide. So I'm going to go to the teacher guide here in resources, but you'd also be seeing the same thing when you're on the planning pages. So click on teacher guide lesson. Let's open up a typical lesson. And at the bottom of the first page, you've got this quick recap. So this is something which revises what you've been doing in previous lesson or lessons, and it just keeps those number facts going in children's minds. It gives you something really quick you can do with them just to make sure that they're secure in what you recently covered.